What's up, you guys? Francis Abogonye here today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best way to find online jobs from home as a beginner. Okay, so with that being said, my name is Francis Abogonye. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, I make entrepreneurship videos, make money online methods, and I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, like what I just mentioned, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, tick that bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come out with new videos that will give you value, such as this one. Okay, so with that being said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and make sure you stay to the end of this video so you get the full juice out of it. Okay, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments. I want to engage with you guys right there. I mostly reply to all the comments I get on my YouTube channel right now, so let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, if you're a beginner, just let me know you're a beginner and you're just getting started in making money online, and I can see how I can help you right there. Okay, so just drop me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the video perform very well on the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so in today's video I actually found a website. Sorry for that, let me just reduce this right here. I found a website, okay, that actually you can use to get started online. Okay, it's actually called dreamhomebasedwork.com. Okay, I think the owner of this is this lady right here. All right, so there's a bunch of value right here. She put a lot of stuff that you guys are going to be getting a lot of value from. Okay, you can see right here she's talking about the first one, which is search engine evaluator. Okay, as search engine evaluator, your job would be to evaluate search engine results to determine if they're relevant or not and all that. But these companies actually are limited to some countries. You can't do this. There are some countries you can do this, and there's some countries you can actually do this. Okay, you can go to this website, her website, to check this out, okay, for yourself, maybe after you're done with this video. And another one is transcriptionist. You can be a transcriptionist. Okay, you know, like rev.com. I know Rev a lot. Okay, you can transcribe people's video. That is what I know about Rev. You can transcribe videos, okay, to text format, okay, that they can use for copy, okay, for those that want to do copywriting for their website or sell a particular product, or those that just want to have the transcription of their what they're saying on the video. Okay, so you can do that on rev.com. You can go to Rev or Transcribe Me. You can sign up for Rev. Okay, I think they pay between if I can remember, I think they pay between $12 to $30 or so. I don't know. You can go check that out for yourself. Okay, rev.com, casting words, speech parts, transcribe me. Okay, these are list of sites that you can do this tax. Okay, transcriptions, if you want to become a transcriptionist online. Another one is virtual assistant. Okay, you can be a virtual assistant. Maybe you can be in Africa, and you're a virtual assistant for someone in London or in the UK, or someone in India, or someone in America, or wherever. You can be a virtual assistant, maybe like customers, more of like customer service. Yeah, you can see the next one right here is customer service, but virtual assistant also is kind of like helping somebody out virtually on the internet, right? And your pay can be between $10 to $15 per hour depending on your experience, right? And you can see website that you can get started with, which is called Fancy Hand. You can just Google all this, okay? If you don't know the exact link for them, you can just Google it, just type it on Google, okay? And you see the actual website: Fancy Hand, Vicky Virtual, Baron, Time, etc, Boldly, and all that. These are companies that will hire you, or these are companies that you can find virtual assistant jobs and all that. Customer service is also another one. Okay, you can be a customer service, just like I mentioned for this virtual assistant. Okay, you can be a customer service and help companies to answer their clients, or whatever their audience or their customers need help with. You can actually help out with that. And these are websites also you can also find that with, which is Life Ops, okay, Next Rep, ACD Direct, and all that. You can go to this website and sign up for them. Okay, if they're acceptable for your country, that's fine. If they're not, you can look for another one. Okay, you must not go to a particular one. All right, you must not join a particular website. Okay, most of all this website works very well. Okay, so you can get jobs to do with them. Another one is data entry. Okay, you can work from home with all this, especially work from home moms and women who just want to, or people who just want to be at home and work. Okay, and they're looking for jobs online. This is the kind of jobs you can actually do. Okay, as a beginner, this is actually good. You can use this to save up some money and start an actual business on the internet. Okay, I'm not saying you're going to be using this all through your life, no, but you can actually use this to get started as a beginner online, to know how the online space in terms of making money works. Okay, so this is data entry, and you can sign up for this website, Smart Crowd, Exxon Data, Clickworker. Okay, go right there and sign up for all these jobs. Okay, look for the one that fits you very well. Like I said, you can go to this website right here, Dream Home Base Work From Home. Okay, I think you have a lot of valuable content right there, and as I stumble upon this, I just wanted to share with you guys to give value to all of you who are looking for ways to make money as a beginner, and you don't want to be going through the headache of creating maybe a Shopify store, or doing affiliate marketing, or doing Amazon FBA, and all those make money online methods. Okay, this is a simple one you can get started with and start making bank. Okay, so if you found any value from this, let me know that in the comment section, and if I can help, I'm going to do that if you drop your questions in the comment section. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. All right, and if you're brand new, like I said earlier on, make sure you subscribe and you tick that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified whenever I come out with new videos. Trust me, you don't want to be missing out on my videos. All right, so with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Stay strong and go crush it today. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye bye.